Okay, so this is a real simple drill. 3 yards, half-inch dot, and 8 rounds. I don't know why 8, you could do 10. The goal is to have every round, it's called like basically a one-hole drill, but you fail if a bullet is not touching another hole that you already fired. So we want, even if it's like a chain, we don't want to break in the holes in the paper. We want them all connected and tight as possible. So 9 feet, we're gonna try it here. There's no time limit. It's a real easy drill. Just stresses not really your target acquisition, but your grip, your basic fundamentals, and your sight picture, and your breathing. So we're gonna give it a shot. Good? Basically, that would be passing. If there was a straggler out here, you'd fail based on that definition if you want to do it that way. But pretty simple drill. Let me know what you guys think.